Hey yo, hey, baby girl. I see you looking at me, but you still can't be like me. Representing that R.I.P. But listen to this crack. Listen to this crack. We smoking on that motherfucking shit that gets you on your back, but you still can't see that we some res ass motherfucking G's. I lay you down, motherfucker. How does that sound? I'm a young native joker clown, but I'm here to put on a show. Motherfuckers just can't know. I'm gonna let you go, just like that little hoe that I just knew, but now he blew through the whole motherfucking crew. You little hoe, motherfucker, just gonna show. But I love these motherfucking greens. Yeah, and these illies, these motherfucking illies got me feeling kinda silly, like I'm motherfucking Billy. But these motherfuckers tryna get to the ceiling, but you hitting the floor, motherfuckers, I told you before.
Spitting these frees every day, do what I gotta do, stay true to the BLU. Doing me, doing what I gotta do, stay true. Smoking trees like every day, gotta get away from all this pain in these streets. I'm just doing me. Fuck you and your whole crew. Now I'm just playing around. Let's see. Fuck, man, can't do it.
Bustin' a rhyme, chillin' with these crazy natives. Never gonna stop doing what I have on my insane brain. Told you that I wasn't gonna fuck around, no. So you better shut up and listen to our show. What you gonna do when we walk away? This is the shit you listen to anyways.
Nah, and like they told you, don't walk down my block unless you wanna get clocked. Like tick motherfucking talk, motherfucker, I'm on top. Then now you just got dropped. Now you're laying on the bottom, motherfucker. Why do you even bother fucking with this motherfucker? I'm the robber. I rob you ass blind, motherfucker. I leave you so sublime. You still can't see how I bleed. Man, I'm Scooby-Doo, motherfucker, dude, blaze that motherfucking W-Boo, but you still can't be like me. Yeah, even though I'm drunk off that liquor, and you still can't figure that I have my fucking finger on the motherfucking trigger. But still, lay you down, really down. How does that sound? 6 feet under, motherfuckers wanna blunder with that splendor, motherfucker. I'm on the under. Hey, listen to me when I'm on the under. Got the boys with the hella toys making real big noise, but you still can't see. Represent the Big McCoys.